Well, we got a nice morning. I don't even know what day it is. Sunday during the week. Just doing our morning ritual. Sun's just getting up. Time for a Zaki bath. Oh yeah, I love it when the water's calm. Oh, look at this. See the shark? I don't know if you saw the fins. Shit. Little baby shark. Better stay close to him. There's critters everywhere. Ha 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 ha. Yeah, boys. Nice day. Just wanted to check in and say hey. It's just another day. Yeah, buddies, huh? He's a good boy, huh? Alright, let me dig up, wrap up this rope, we'll head back up. Talk to you later.